This video is about how to avoid warning length of character variable name has already been set. Now to understand this, let us quickly run this data step in here, and in this data step we have length statement for variable name and I am giving it the length of 20. But here the set statement comes before it. And then when I run this, what happens is you can see there is a warning, and in this warning it says that length of character variable has been already set, and use the length statement as the very first statement in the data step to declare length of character variable. So if you also look into the output of the data, length of the variable is 8. So nothing has been changed. Why is this so? Because whenever we run the data step, it works in two phases. The first phase is known as compilation phase and the second phase is execution phase. In the compilation phase, all the variable attributes are set. And another feature of compilation phase is if it has looked into variable attribute once, it is not going to look into the same variable again, because here we have sashelp.class, and in sashelp.class we have all these 5 variables. What it does is it looks into all those 5 variables, and whatever the attributes it has, it just picks up. And even if I mention the length statement in here, it is not going to look into this one. That is why we have this warning which I was talking about. And to avoid this, also in the log you can see that it tells us to make the length statement as a very first statement in the data step. And I have exactly done the same what the log has suggested to me, wherein I have kept the length statement before my set statement, and then here in the length statement I am saying variable as name, and then I am giving it as length 20. Now what SAS compiler will do is it will look into the name variable, and then it sets the length of 20 in our class data set, and then it will look into sashelp.class. In the sashelp.class we know that we have 5 variables, but it is not going to look into the name variable, but it looks into remaining 4 variables and it sets the length and other attributes as they are in the sashelp.class. Now let us quickly run these and see our results in the log. In the results you can see that the variable name has the length of 20, which means we were able to change the length. And if we also look into the log, you can see in the log that we don't have any warnings. So the important point to remember or take home message from this particular video is whenever we want to change or have a particular attribute, we need to make sure that the variable is mentioned for the first time where you want to change or have that particular attribute. That's all for this topic. If you like this topic, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.